Date night. I'm excited for two reasons. One, I get to take the wifey out. We never get to go out. 3 kids ties us up all the time. We're always hanging out with them. We get a night alone, just the two of us. Number two, I get to take my new toy out. My name's Craig from Flying Wheels. This week, I bought an awesome car. I had so much fun at the auction this week. I bought myself a toy. Well, I bought a new buyer a toy, but until the new buyer buys that car, it's my toy, so I get to enjoy it. So my wife and I get to go out and have a good time. Obviously, she's going to prefer taking the minivan out, but where's the fun in that? So tonight we get to go out for a rip in the new car. What kind of car is it? If you follow me on Facebook and Instagram, you'd already know by now. But anyway, I'm going to take her out. Let's go have some fun in the new car. Here we are. What are your guesses? She could care less what it is. What are your guesses? What did I buy this week? Comment down below. Oh, hey, I forgot to mention. The merch store is open. I have hats and shirts and tees and hoodies, all kinds of cool stuff. If you guys go and buy some merch, I'd appreciate it because it would help support my channel, which helps me produce better content for you. So it's like people helping people. You help me and I can make better videos for everybody else. So check it out. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Let's go on a date.
So wait a minute. This thing is not.
Seatbelt on?
You always take these cars that really are meant just for you. No. Slow down. This is so not safe. I don't like it.
I'm going the speed limit. I'm going under the speed limit. It just gets there really quickly.
I want my minivan.
Don't even need the radio. It sounds so good. It's like music.
I don't really feel like
Watch when I downshift. Ready? Hear that? Hear the rumble?
I don't know. I just had this in my eye. I'm glad this makes you happy. Look at the sunset.
Wow.
Come on, I want to be done.
It doesn't sound good to you? I don't even need the radio.
It sounds like a car that doesn't have a muffler. So this is like the issue of like the girl cried wolf type of thing. Is she really? Oh my god, I don't like it.
That yellow sign right there with the arrow. This car was meant for that sign. Just handles well.
So it's very tight,
It's
right?
very tight, yes, very tight, exactly.
I don't like it. I don't. Did you choose Darius so we can go on this road?
Yeah, I did.
We can just go to this Chinese food place.
No, right? Do karaoke again. That's it for tonight. Quickie, I'm not going to show you my whole date. I'm not taking you out with me. But stay tuned because I'm going to do a review on the new car because I've been driving it for a week. It's been awesome. I'm having a great time with it. I'll show you the auction video. I'll also show you an entire like 20-minute walk around, fully detailed, and I'll give you a hint. It's Italian. See you later, everybody. Out. Adios.
Ride with us.